Have you ever faced a challenge that made you want to give up, but you kept going anyway? That's called perseverance. Today's word is perseverance. Can you say it with me? Perseverance. Let's spell it together. Ready? P-E-R-S-E-V-E-R-A-N-C-E. That spells perseverance. Perseverance means steady effort to keep going despite difficulties. It's the strength that helps you push through challenges and finish strong. Here are some words that mean the same as perseverance. Say them with me. Persistence, like continuing even when it's tough. Determination, like refusing to quit until you reach your goal. Grit, like staying strong through every obstacle. Tenacity, like holding on tight when things get hard. Diligence, like working carefully and consistently until the job is done. Each of these words reminds us that perseverance means never giving up. Now let's look at the opposites of perseverance. Quitting, like stopping before you finish. Laziness, like not putting in the effort to succeed. Weakness, like giving up when things don't go your way. Surrender, like deciding to stop trying. Apathy, like not caring enough to keep going. Those are the moments when we need perseverance the most. Here's a great example. Her perseverance helped her finish the tricky puzzle with a big smile of victory. Let's review. Perseverance means steady effort to keep going despite difficulties. Synonyms include persistence, determination, grit, tenacity, diligence. Antonyms include quitting, laziness, weakness, surrender, apathy. Perseverance keeps you going. It's proof you're stronger than any challenge. Your challenge: show perseverance by sticking with a puzzle, game, or task until you finish it. Every time you keep going, you grow stronger, braver, and more confident. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sophia.